Hey there, welcome back to Insights of Living. Today I want to talk about something that's close to my heart, staying positive even when money is tight. Let's dive right in. First off, it's crucial to keep a confident and proactive attitude. Don't belittle yourself because of your financial situation. Remember, your value goes way beyond wealth. Next, keep working hard and improve your abilities and skills. Continuously learning and growing can create more opportunities for the future. Think of it as an investment in yourself. Cherish life and appreciate what you have. Even with limited resources, learn to be content and grateful. A positive mindset can change everything. Now it's important to cultivate a healthy mindset towards money. Yes, pursuing wealth is normal, but don't view it as the sole source of happiness. True happiness comes from within. Maintain lofty aspirations. Persevere in your dreams and goals even during temporary difficulties. This will keep you motivated and focused. Focus on personal growth, not material possessions. Invest your energy in self-improvement and building relationships. These are the things that truly enrich your life. And lastly, avoid complaints and negative emotions. Instead, focus on solving problems and creating value. Wallowing in self-pity won't get you anywhere. Remember, hard work can change your circumstances. This is the most important source of positive energy. Stay hopeful and keep pushing forward. If these tips resonate with you, check out the link in the description for more insights. Until next time, keep living positively. Music fades out.